Hi, I'm Joe. Today I'm going to be fixing up this old Kawasaki muffler. It's got a rusty hole in it, and even though it's towards the inside of the bike where you can't really see it, I'm going to try to put a patch on there that looks nice anyway. Start by removing the galvanizing off of it as much as I can. Try to give myself some clean metal to weld to. Pattern for it first. Nice and wide so I can get out into the good metal. Old piece of scrap, I'll be able to make my cut on that. Nice. I'm going to go ahead and highlight it with the soapstone so that I can see it easily when I'm using the plasma arc. Under the shield it's pretty dark. Be able to see everything you can. Right on. Whacks with a hammer, you're going to be good. Getting there. That ain't bad. Good. Definitely sealed up. That's the thumbs up. Right on. Turned out real good. Not a bad weld on some really thin old metal. Nice and airtight. It'll last for a long time now. Thanks for watching.